Welcome, dear judicial service aspirants. Let me ask a question. Question is, are you conscious? Our existence is under continuous supervision of the Creator. Are you conscious? We are created beings. Our Creator is putting us under continuous supervision. Our existence is under continuous supervision of Creator. This principle in its mundane form is that judicial service of the state is under continuous superintendence of the High Court of the state. When we have decided to be member of the judicial family, then we also have a proper degree of conscious state of mind, as that our service is going to be under continuous superintendence of the High Court. Not only that, when we will be holding a court, it is going to be an open court. By open court would mean that anyone can be present in the courtroom. It is not only the parties to the litigation, it is not only the court officials, it is not only those who are directly or indirectly having interest in the outcome of the adjudication, but the public in general as well has a right to be present. And it is this which makes that our functioning is under the supervision of the public in general. Hundreds of eyes are looking at how we conduct, behave, and perform. Our conduct, behavior, and performance in court is going to be under continuous supervision of the public at large. We are existing under the continuous superintendence of the Creator. We are continuously under the superintendence and control of the High Court. We are continuously under the supervision of the public in general. Lord Creator, sitting within the cavity of our heart, is always supervising and marking our performance. We cannot deceive ourselves. Be conscious, be honest, be truthful. It is only the honesty and truthfulness of the performance which is going to be assessed, which is going to be evaluated, which is going to be appreciated. It is this value about which we have to ever remain conscious. Thank you very much.